Greetings, greetings, CannaChefMD. Cooking, learning, laughing, loving with Dr. Les. Let's do this thing. Today, we have a very special treat for you. This strain is going to be called Darling Nikki from Prince's Purple Rain album, but the actual, what we're listening to is the Prince Revolution Live from Syracuse. It was filmed in March 30th, 1985, broadcast across the world. It came in a 3 vinyl set, 2 CD, 1 DVD. It's called Darling Nikki, and it will be a 1-to-1 THC CBD infused Cannabutter. And we're going to be using the wonderful Cannabutter machine. No sponsorship yet, but we're working on it. Maybe once this video is aired, we will. We're going to need 14 grams of flour, decarbed already. It's a sativa from Rise. We're going to need soy lecithin, about a teaspoon or tablespoon of that. 4 sticks of butter, which is equivalent to 1 pound or 2 cups. We're going to need some things to get the butter into the molds. This is a strainer that comes with the magical butter machine. These molds come with it, also with tops, and we're going to actually make some sticks of butter, but also we're going to put some in the molds, and we'll explain that why that was later. And we need the Cannabutter machine. Here we go. Do work. Come on, come on, come on. We're using some butter that has been warmed up. We need some soy lecithin, and we also need the flour that's decarbed. Now we'll use the Cannabutter machine. Just got that. Want to go ahead and mix everything together. There's the butter. And next will be about a tablespoon of soy lecithin. We're listening to Darling Nikki, which you may not be able to hear it, but that's okay. Now we're going to add the flour. Half CBD, 7 grams, and half THC, 7 grams. So 1-to-1 mixture. Then we will put the magical butter top on there. Set it at 160 for 2 hours. It'll start making a few noises. There, it's really going. It was 2-hour time. So check back with you in a couple hours. This is my friend Bruce, or we call him Brucey. He is a Maltipoo, weighs about 10 pounds, and is the sweetest thing ever. So this is part of the loving of Dr. Les. Thanks, shout out to my friends Keith and Denise Hilgenfeld, which made this Canadoc plaque. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just remove the mixing part. So here's what the butter looks like. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this cloth strainer that was provided. We're gonna pour this through into a large bowl. There's going to be a lot of particulates in there. So the other thing I didn't tell you that we needed was a spatula. You're just going to add the rest of the grounds basically. You can use this later for already vaped flour. Sometimes I'll give a little sprinkle of that into the dog's food. They seem to like it. They're really chill after that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a little Dr. Vicky. You know what Dr. Vicky is? Dr. Vicky is a little squeeze. That's what I call her, little squeeze. You get as much as you can out of there. Little bit of particulate, not much. Our next step is to take the creation, pour it into a measuring cup. Makes it easy. The other thing we need to do is use some air fire spray. Spray the molds. So I've got 2 molds. This is going to look like a butter stick. These are just going to be ovals. So we're just going to pour these right directly into the molds. I use a cooking board, make that a cutting board, to put the molds on. Makes it easy to transfer them. I've already measured how much was in the each of the sticks of butter. And then I want to measure out using a syringe how much is in each of the oval molds, right at 6 milliliters per mold. And now I can just add, because I know how much is in each one. Oh, I should have had it on the cutting board, like I told you. You're going to have a little bit of spillage. I'm going to just go ahead and add a little bit more to each of these stick molds to make it a full stick. Now we're just going to take these, put them in the refrigerator. You need to have them in there for at least 3 hours. Most sources that I looked at said overnight. So I'll probably put them overnight, and then I'll finish the video tomorrow when we pop them out and we put them in containers, or we'll talk about what we're going to do with them at that point. But yes, that's basically it. We're done until tomorrow. We're going to get delirious. Hello, hello. CannaChefMD back at you. The next day, boogity boogity. Cooking, learning, loving, laughing, loving. So we've got our Cannabutter. Looks beautiful. These little molds here. And I did some of these ovals that came with the magical butter machine. So we've got our containers, our labels. We're gonna pop these out, put it in the container. The small ones, what I'm planning on doing with those is I'm gonna pop them out. I'm gonna individually wrap them in cling wrap. We'll put those in the freezer. I might put one stick of butter in the freezer, the rest in the refrigerator. So let's pop these babies out. There we go. There we go. Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It has actually the little lines on it also, which is kind of cool. So when we talk about what we're going to do from a milligram standpoint, that'll be good. Actually, listen to a little bit of music here from the 1985 release, Prince of the Revolution live in Syracuse. The concert was on March 30th. Kind of the first part of his Purple Rain tour 1985. All right, here's what the ovals look like. Let me bring these over. Boogity! Did that scare you? All right, there's the butter. There's the oval. It's got the little magic butter imprint on there. Boogity! All righty. Nah. I'm gonna just put one in here because I'm gonna do the saran wrap with this one. I've already labeled it with my infusion. So we're gonna look at some calculations here. This song is called God. It's a B-side of Purple Rain, actually. Right, so basically we have 2 sticks of butter, 15 ovals. So it's 7 grams of THC and 7 grams of CBD flour that we're mixing here. Each of them were about 20%, so we multiply 7,000 times 20, we get 1,400 milligrams. So what we've done is we've calculated out there's about 6 milligrams per milliliter in this whole solution. So we're going to take 1,400 and divide it by 220 total milliliters, and we get 6 milligrams per milliliter, okay? So the butter was 65 milliliters. The ovals were 6 milliliters. So the stick is going to have 390, each stick is going to have 390 milligrams of THC and CBD. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. And then these are going to have 36 milligrams per oval. It's going to be 49 milligrams per tablespoon and 16 milligrams per teaspoon, because there's 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. So it's going to be pretty potent, but you're going to be infusing this in some of your creations. This creation is based on the Purple Rain, and it's called Darling Nikki. Hopefully this was educational. Hopefully you learned a little bit. Hopefully you cooked a little bit. Hopefully you laughed a little bit.
Yes, I believe in you.
Yes, I believe in you.
Yes, I trust you.
Yes, I trust you.
Yes, I'll be good.
I'll be good.
Do you want to spend the night?
Woo! I sure do. All right, over and out. CannaChefMD. Cool, that's gonna be a tough one. See you on the flip side. All right, as I stated, I took my chef stuff off. I wanted to show you this shirt. It was underneath it. It is from the concert. Actually, I bought it through the Prince store. April 3rd, I saw him on Purple Rain Tour 1985 in Tallahassee, Florida, which is where I live. That's where I went to school. Today we're listening to a song called The Truth from the Truth album, 1998. Very good album. Today we're going to talk about the endocannabinoid system in general. That's also called the ECS. It's basically a complex signal network that helps regulate homeostasis in your body, helps regulate some of the other systems. Everybody knows about the vascular system, the neurologic system, the GI system, the immune system. The endocannabinoid system sort of sits on top of all those systems and does its work. Okay, has to do with mood and stress response, also appetite, digestion, your immune system, your sleep cycles, memory and learning, pain and inflammation. Very far-reaching. Okay, so the ECS is made up of basically three components. One are the endocannabinoids. They're mostly they are called 2-AG and anandamide, which are secreted in response to stimulation. The other are the endocannabinoid receptors. There's a CB1 receptor that's mostly in the central nervous system and spinal canal. And then there's also the CB2, which is more in the peripheral tissues, the immune system. Then there are also enzymes that help break down and regulate some of the immunologic processes related to the ECS. The system acts as a biological dimmer, similar to what is found in your body's own internal and external stressors. Interestingly, the cannabinoids from the cannabis plant, like THC and CBD, interact with the ECS, which is why the cannabis plant is so important for some of the medicinal processes. Okay, so understanding the ECS is important as the cannabinoids such as THC, CBD, CBG, CBN, and CBC. There are other cannabinoids that also interact, and there are terpenes and flavonoids. So the ECS is very complex, but it's very, very important to understand. Dr. Les signing off. Cooking with Dr. Les, learning with Dr. Les. We just learned with Dr. Les. Characteristic sign off. Peace and be wild. May you live to see the dawn. This is my favorite song on Purple Rain. One that most people don't even know. It's called Computer Blue. Let's do this thing.